The power of virtual coaching. This is what to do, what to expect, and yes, you can transform lives online. Let's jump in. Hi, my name is Lillian. I'm here helping online spiritual coaches, healers, therapists, and practitioners supercharge their online coaching business to success. I also have the online Soul Central directory. It goes out once a month to over 10,000 plus manifestors, soul searchers and seekers, high achievers. So if you want to be placed in front of them with your awesome services, then feel free to like this video, subscribe, and put in the comments box below Soul Central directory, and I'll send you over the details to get you into the next edition. Okay, so the power of virtual coaching. This is what to expect and what actually happens. And yes, you can transform lives online, which is super powerful. Now, the first point I would like to make is that there are no costs to go online, or the costs that you might think when you compare it to an offline business. So in my first early doors of business, I was a business owner of 4 studios. I've had 2 in Shanghai, China, and 2 here in Leeds in the UK. My costs just running a studio alone was absolutely crazy. When I now compare what I pay now for online business, there's just no comparison. Online coaching always wins. Virtual coaching is always the thing, I think, that will make you a better lifestyle when it compares to offline. So for example, if I was to revert back to what I was paying offline for my indoor cycling studios, the highest rent I was paying was £3,800 just to have 12 or 18 indoor cycling studio bikes, which was crazy. I was also paying business rates, I was also paying instructor rates, I was also paying for the bills, utility bills, I was also paying for the repairs, the damage to the building, whatever might come up. It was just a forever money pit. And yes, I was making money, but for sure, I was spending out, or investing, I should say, into my business at the time, a lot of money per month. That was just to open the door. Now compare it to online. What am I paying now personally as an online business coach? I'm paying for a funnel software. I'm paying for a calendar booking system. I am paying for a cast type software to record what I'm doing online. And there's other few things like TubeBuddy as well, but it's collectively, I think my outgoings are, I checked the other day, it's like £170 per month in comparison to what I was paying offline. And I think at my peak, I was paying like just shy of £5,000 a month. It's just ridiculous. So for sure, virtual coaching will always win over offline services, in my opinion, because I've had over 10 years experience of doing offline and online. Number 2, the power of virtual coaching is it's always going to be pandemic proof. Now, we would never have set out a business to make sure that we are pandemic proof, but obviously the times that we have lived in recently, we are wanting and needing our business to now be pandemic proof, just in case another virus was to then get released into the world. So unfortunately, it's been quite a hard hit for a lot of businesses, and a lot of businesses learned the hard way. I went online way before the pandemic. I released my course from offline to online about 2 years before the pandemic hit. And unfortunately, I did see many friends in the time of the pandemic unfortunately go under, and it's not a nice thing to witness. However, going online has been accelerated by the pandemic, which is great, and virtual coaching again will always win. So let's say there was another disruption in the world like the pandemic, then obviously virtual coaching will win over offline coaching, because that we can do things from the comfort of our own home. And number 3, as a point I would like to make, is virtual coaching is always a winner in my book, because you can fit it in within a busy lifestyle. I'm a mum, I'm sure you are as well, a parent or a busy family member, or you have a loved one, and things just get super busy very quickly. And an online coaching business, in my experience, of virtual coaching can basically mold into your life, should you obviously structure your lifestyle very well. So making sure that you have all your ducks in a row to include an online coaching business into your world, you can make things work really, really hard for you. Sometimes people do say when it comes to virtual coaching that you end up just making a job for yourself online, but with a few tweaks, with a bit of understanding and the right systems in place in your business, you can have a very hands-off freedom lifestyle when it comes to virtual coaching. And if you do need a hand with that, then please let me know. But it's always a very good thing, virtual coaching, in comparison to offline coaching. Okay, so just to recap the power of virtual coaching, these are the 3 points. Number one, it saves on offline rental costs. It's always going to be pandemic proof should we ever be in that situation again. And number three, virtual coaching will always fit in with a busy lifestyle. So with a bit of planning and a bit of structuring, you can have a very awesome freedom lifestyle with your virtual coaching. Okay, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to let me know what you enjoyed the most. As mentioned, I do have the Soul Central directory. It goes up to over 10,000 plus manifestors, soul searchers and seekers, and high achievers. So if you do feel you want to put your services in front of that audience for free, then like this video, subscribe, and then comment below in the comments box Soul Central directory, and I'll make sure I'll get you into the next edition. Thanks again, and here's to your business success.